Before cloud, before touch screens, before AI, there were glowing screens, dial-up tones, and the magic of first logins. This is a story of how technology grew with us, in Malaysian homes, schools, and hearts.
Do you remember the first time a screen lit up? Green letters, black background, and we all paused. It felt like magic. At school, we typed our first code. Didn't get it, but we smiled. Even the printer's screech sounded like the future. Do you remember when the home PC arrived? It sat in the living room like a treasure, and switching it on felt like magic. Windows 95 greeted us with that iconic chime. It wasn't just a sound, it was a doorway. We played solitaire, saved files on floppy disks, and waited as the dial-up modem screamed into life. Chat rooms brought strangers together, and every house had its drama. Siblings fighting for turns, moms yelling about the blocked phone line. No touchscreens yet, just patience, clicks, and skill. Windows XP came in with green hills and blue skies, and this quiet hope for something better. Music lived in our bedrooms, with Winamp dancing to our teenage moods. Burning CDs was personal. Your mix, your identity. At cyber cafes, strangers became teammates, shouting over games, hearts racing. And outside, flip phones rang loud at Mamak stalls. Friendster arrived, glitter, GIFs, and who we wanted to be. Guys, remember when selfies started becoming a thing? City lights, front cameras, every smile was saved in pixels. A friend request online brought back people we hadn't seen in years. And suddenly, cafes had Wi-Fi. Every table had a phone or laptop. Need a ride? Tap. Hungry? Swipe. Life was in your palm. Even emojis carried love. A son showed his mom how to send one, and she did, with a big smile. At kopitiams, old folks read newspapers while the young scrolled through feeds. Now, home became our office, with Milo and meetings. No more hugs, just video calls during Raya. At Pasar Malam, we paid satay with QR codes. One swipe, and old memories came back.
On the table lay relics, a museum of our digital journey. And today, a father passes down a story. The past lives on, in memories, in moments, in us.
We still remember every screen, every sound. From green-lit rooms to cities all around. A click, a code, a moment that stayed. The past lives on in what we've made. Our story lives and will always last. Our story lives and will always last.